to solve this kind of problem. Look, if x plus 1 by x is equals to 8, then we have to find the value of x cube minus 8x squared plus 12x by x squared plus 1. Okay, we solve this problem in simple steps. Look at this. First of all, write this condition. Given x plus 1 by x is equals to 8. Okay, right. From this one, you can write this as x. You can multiply x and x square plus the 1 is equals to 8. Take this x to this side, we get x square plus 1 is equals to 8x. Okay, then next you can bring this 8x to this side and 1 to that side. So x square minus 8x is equals to minus 1. You please note down these two. Coming to this one, we have to find this value. So from this one, take x as common. First of all, from the numerator, take x as common. If you take x as common, here we get x square minus 8x plus 12 by x square plus 1. What is x square plus 1 value? Is 8x. Okay, right. So you can cancel x. From this one, x square minus 8x. The value of x square minus 8x value is minus 1 plus 12 is divided by 8. What is minus 1 plus 12? 11 by 8. So the value of x cube minus 8x square plus 12x by x square minus plus 1 is 11 by 8. Okay. Thank you.